Beautiful family members, let me show you how I make this Gizdodo, a bite of happiness. You all are welcome to my YouTube channel. So all my subscribers, I love you. So let's get started. For the list of my ingredients, I'll be using gizzard. I'll also be using some plantain because there's no Gizdodo without plantain. I have some bell pepper, spring onions, chopped onions, carrots and some pepper mix, and I'll also be using some spice, curry powder and all-purpose powder. So the very first step I'll be doing is I'll cut my gizzard into a bite size. So that is what I'll be doing all through with my gizzard. So this is what I have after cutting it. The next step, I'll be boiling my gizzard. So I add my gizzard to my pot. Then I add my chopped onions and garlic. Then the next thing I'm adding now is my salt to taste. And I'm also adding some seasoning paste as well. Then I also add my minced herbs and spice. That's minced herbs. Then I also have some curry powder and some fresh rosemary. So I stir this together. Then I also add some water to it. So I add some water. And then I cover this and allow this to cook. So while this is cooking, the next thing I'll be doing is I'll prep my plantain. So I'm just going to cut my plantain into cube size, as in into a smaller size. So that is what you see me do in this video. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be part of this family. On my channel, I share amazing recipe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell and don't forget to like and leave some comments for me. And then this is what I have. My plantain is ready. The next thing is to check on my gizzard, and my gizzard is also fully cooked. So I'm just going to take this off the heat and proceed to the next step. For the next step, I'll start by frying my plantain. So my oil has been preheated first. So I'm just going to fry my plantain until it is golden brown. Can you see the color of my plantain? Golden brown. Then you take it out. So that is how I'm going to fry the rest of my plantain. Once I'm through frying my plantain, I'm going to proceed to fry my gizzard. I'm going to allow my gizzard to fry until it comes out with this brown color. So your gizzard is ready when you see this color, this brown color. Then you take this out. For the next step, I'm still using the same vegetable oil I used for my plantain and my gizzard to prepare my sauce. So I just reduce it. So what I had is my onions, garlic and some rosemary leaf. Then I'm going to allow this to fry to release some flavor before I add my pepper mix. So after adding my pepper mix, I stir everything together. Then I cover this and allow this to cook. This has been cooking for some minutes now, and this is what I have. So what I'll be doing now is to season it. I'm going to start by adding my salt. After adding my salt, I add some seasoning cube. Then I add my curry powder and my all-purpose powder. So the next thing I'm adding now is my gizzard stock. Then I'm going to stir this together. Then I cover this and allow this to fry for a few more minutes. Few minutes later, my fried pepper sauce is ready, and this is what I have. So I'm just going to stir everything together. So after that, I add my gizzard. So once I add my gizzard, I'm going to stir everything together. I will make sure that it is well combined with the pepper. That is, the gizzard is properly mixed with the pepper. So the next thing I'll be adding now is my plantain. So after adding my plantain, I'm going to stir that in together very well too, and make sure that everything is also well mixed together. Then after that, finally I'll be adding my bell peppers. After adding my bell pepper, I stir everything together to make sure that it is well combined. So what is going in next is my carrots. So I'm going to stir that together too as well. So I'm just going to cover this, allow this to steam for a few minutes. Then that's it, my Gizdodo is ready. So what I'm doing now is just that I'm garnishing it with my spring onions. So, and that's it guys, Gizdodo is ready, a bite of happiness. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you also be trying it out as well and share your experience with me guys. So this is my Gizdodo recipe and this is what it looks like. You can also pair this with some rice. So guys, till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys, and thank you for watching.